welcome to Tech Android. This is Akshay Mishra, and in this video I will show you how to use switch or toggle button in an app. So in this video I had an activity that I had made, that is toggle switch activity, and here you will find both the XML and the Java file of this activity. So let's start the coding of with XML file. So in this we need to drag and drop two components, one is switch and another one is toggle button. So first drag and drop this toggle button here, and again we need to drag and drop a switch component. So drag and drop here. So now we want to display the status of these buttons, either they are on or off. We need to display it by using a text. So drag and drop a large text, expand it, do the same thing for toggle button, expand it. Now we need to drag and drop a button component, and when we press this button a function will get called, and the status of these both the buttons, that is toggle or switch, will get display on these respective text views. So now we need to give the ID number of these buttons. So the ID number of this toggle switch is toggle button 1. Now press enter. Now we need to give the ID number for this large text. So it is text view 1. Press enter. Do the same thing again. The ID number of switch button is switch 1. Now for large text the ID number is text view 2. Press enter. Now come to the button, double tap on it and change the default text name, that is show status. Now give the button ID, that is button 1. Press enter. Now come to the coding of the XML file. Now we need to declare a function that will call when we press the button. So come to the coding part of the button and type here Android on click fun. You can take any name. Here I am choosing a fun, F-U-N. Now come to the coding of this toggle button and type here Android text on. When you press the on button, our text is on, and if you press the off button, text off. So our text becomes off, and the switch button gives the boolean output in the boolean form. If the switch is on, that it will show true, and if the switch is off, then it will show false. So now come to the Java coding of toggle switch activity, and we need to define the components present in this layout. So these are the different components. Now include this component in the function on create. So now we need to define the function that will call when we press this show status button. So the name of that function that I has given was fun. So type here public void fun view v. Now come to the coding part. tv1 dot set text toggle button plus tb1 here is the id of the toggle button. tb1 dot get text means the text which you get when you press the either on or off. If you press on, the text becomes on, or if you press off, then the text becomes off. So it will display that text button either off or on. Now we need to display the status for a switch, and switch give the output in the form of boolean, either true or false. So here I am taking a variable boolean status equal to sw1 dot is checked. sw1 dot is checked is a function which will give the output in the form of boolean, that is either true or false, and that true or false will be stored in the status variable. Now we need to display the status in the text view too. So type here tv2 dot set text switch plus status. Okay, now we can run this app. So run it. So this is the app that I had made. This is the toggle button and this is the switch button. Now press this toggle button to on and press this show status. Now the toggle button is on and switch false means it is off. Now if you on this switch and again go to show status and the status becomes switch true, it means that the switch is on. Now if you off this toggle button and again press the show status, the status becomes toggle button off and switch true. So this is how you can set either toggle button or switch in your app. Okay, thank you for watching this video. I hope that you understand this lecture. For getting more videos on app development and some special tricks, please subscribe this channel.